Sir, your thoughts in today's coming here. Yung ano lang po, initial thoughts lang po, nandito kayo yan.
We are ready to cooperate and provide whatever information they need. But I look at the subpoena and it appears that what NBI wants to know is the background of the 18. So we will provide all the informations. Kasi may sinasabi si Director na 8 daw hindi Marines or 4, no? So we will provide their serial numbers, no? Ang sabi, yung 8 daw ay hindi empleyado ni Saldico. So we will provide their identification cards signed by Saldico na empleyado sila, no? So mamaya kung ano yung mangyayari, i-feed namin sa inyo.
Yung 4 daw sir na hindi naman daw po Marines kundi driver, bodyguard lang po.
Hindi. Lahat ng 18 na ito, as we said, 16 were former Marines, 2 were former Philippine Army.
Okay.
Maliwanag naman yun sa affidavit.
Ready din po mag-file ng separate na salaysay itong 18 kasi yung sa isang affidavit lang po parang kine-question yun eh.
Alam nyo, kaya nga may tinatawag tayong joint affidavit kasi kung may common knowledge, pwedeng pagsamahin. Di ba? Kaya pag makikita nyo, yung unang portion ng affidavit, ang ginagamit naming pronoun doon ay kami. Kasi lahat sila empleyado. Pero pagkadating doon sa mga nag-deliver, nakalagay naman specific doon. Kami, Tube, etc. So, specific yun. No?
Yung 18 ex-Marines today pupunta. Okay.
Sir, yung sinasabi po na connected daw po si Attorney Pascual sa inyo pong law firm. What are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, correct. Because I am their off-counsel. No? Ang off-counsel, it means kung may mga cases sila that they need some support or help, I help them out. And also, I farm out cases kasi nag-unwind na ako sa law practice ko eh. So I farm out cases to several lawyers also.
Sir, yung thoughts niyo na lang na may mga tao nagsasabi na dapat take with a grain of salt itong sinasabi ng 18 Marines. Pero sa inyong paniwala, you're convinced na totoo yung kanilang mga pahayag?
Yes, they don't have anything to profit from accusing people in high position ng kasinungalingan, no? Isipin mo, ordinaryo lang itong mga sundalo na mamamayan and they are accusing people in the highest places of government. Mahirap 'yun, di ba?
Hindi naman wala namang issue na nabayaran daw itong mga ex-Marines, sir.
Naku po, yung nagsasabi sa inyo na nabayaran, sila ang tanungin nyo.
Sir, may death threat sila, sir?
Normal yun.
Sir, haharap sila. Sir, kumpleto kayo. Kasama mo na sila, sir. Kumpleto yan, sir. Kumpleto na kayo.